Uphill up this ridge, and I'm gonna time lapse it.
Get up.
Lay your love, son. I was a ship on the star. Ghetto star. Ghetto star. Ghetto star. The ghetto star's who you are. At 16, making green. Smoking L's, lounging with peeps who sell. Shooting heck at the spot. When the cop rolls through, putting the infrared on his head. There's crooked pigs, snitch ass jigs. So I keep my smitty for any bitch that gets shifty. Passing that loot to the troops. Yo, be on the lookout, anything move, it get took out. Making deals in clubs, flipping dubs. Dweller style, a juvenile but fucking buck wow. 100 G's in the safe, beating the case. My attorney's down for me, my honey's down for me. Hooping on weekends for ends. I'm also a hustler as well as a drug smuggler. But on this day I'll parlay, drink some Alizé. 12 o'clock I got a meeting on the block. Flex up in that hefty Range Rover. I look the situation over. It's alright, but a little past midnight. 2 shots fired, now I feel tired. Fall out and hit the concrete. Blood dripping down, feeling like meat. A setup just to wet me up. I'm God. Ghetto star. Ghetto star.
Ghetto star.
The ghetto star's who you are. Ghetto star.
Ghetto star.
Ghetto star.
Ghetto star.
80s, Jettas and Land Cruisers, beefcakes that are bruisers. I run with fucking losers. Some think I'm a thug cause I act smug. I'm trying to reach broke Evan and keep my chiffon on. Me and Brooke make moves like a hoop star. And all, we having blunts in Hennessy. Honey dips, I'm trying to get with. I wanna break my mattress, I hope she's not an actress. Silencers, looking for saviors. I don't wanna jack him cause I don't wanna bury him. I'm trying to keep it on Downey with the fam from the to the silent lambs. As I exit from SCA to Texas, when I get my Lexus, me and my girl will smoke Buddha in it.
Alright. Whew. That's the first good downhill of the day.
Ghetto star.
And the plan is to ride back up after this Creek Fire Road. I'm not going to film because I'm going to charge the GoPro, and then after that make it a full quad crown demo day. So take Ridge Trail to Saw Pit, climb back up Sulphur Creek Road, ride Flow, climb back up Tractor Road, ride Braille, and be done.